In this video, let's see how to create a sales organization, distribution channel division, assign distribution channel division to sales organization, and set up sales area in SAP SD.
Let's go to IMG screen Enterprise Structure to create a new sales organization. Under Enterprise Structure Definition, click on Sales and Distribution and then define Copy, Delete, Check Sales Organization. We can either copy an existing sales organization and make necessary modifications or create an entirely new entry. We will go with new entries. Now we will enter sales organization code and description. We will name our sales organization as e-commerce and will only enter the relevant details here in the screen for demo purposes, such as currency and calendar. Now let's enter the address of the sales organization. Again, for demo purposes, we will only fill the relevant and required details such as house name, postal code, city, country, and region. Click on Save to create our sales organization. Now let's create distribution channel. We can either copy an existing entry and make necessary modifications or create an entirely new entry. We will go with new entries. Now we will enter distribution channel code and description. Click on Save and our distribution channel is created. Now let's create our division. To define it, node is found under Logistics General. We can either copy an existing entry and make necessary modifications or create an entirely new entry. We will go with new entries. Now we will enter division code and description. Click on Save and our division is created. Now let's go to the assignment part. First, we will assign sales organization to company code. We will enter the relevant company code against the sales organization we created in our previous step and click on Save to define our assignment. As a next step, let's assign distribution channel to sales organization. Click on new entries and enter relevant details such as distribution channel and sales organization, and then click on Save to define the assignment. Now let's assign division to sales organization. Click on new entries and enter relevant details such as sales organization and division, and then click on Save to define the assignment. Now coming to the last step of this demo, setting up of sales area. Click on new entries and enter organization elements that we just created, that is sales organization, distribution channel and division, then click on Save to set up the sales area. There you have it. In this video, we have seen how to create sales organization, distribution channel, division, and their assignment and setting up of sales area. Subscribe for more SAP related insights.